मनपूर्वक स्वागत। आयचो हो सुवाळो एका नवीन पावण्याची सुरवात आसा। ही आसा सुरवात नव्या वचनपूर्तीची आणि ज्या सादरीकरणान मा जगदंबेच्या कृपा आशीर्वादाची जाणीव जाता तो गोंयचो नामनेचो ढोल ताशा पंगड जगदंब ग्रुप हांचे खातीर एकदा जोरदार ताळी मनवता। ज्या सादरीकरणान मा जगदंबेच्या कृपा आशीर्वादाची जाणीव जाता तो गोंयचो नामनेचो ढोल ताशा पंगड जगदंब ग्रुप हांचे खातीर एकदा जोरदार ताळयो जावपाक जाय।
वेगवेगळी कॅटेगरीज वायज आमी सोसायटी तांकांय आमी भोवमान केल्लो आसा। आयच्या ह्या प्रसंगीक तुमचे सगळ्यांचे परतून एकदा स्वागत करता आणि चड उलयनासतना तुमच्या वेगवेगळे आमचे प्रोग्राम करतले त्या भागांत ते जे लोक आसतले तेन्ना त्या भागांत तुमी सामको सहकार करतले अशें आशा करता। म्हजी तुमची सोयीता जय जय।
लक्ष्मण पवार, नेक्स्ट डायरेक्टर श्रीशा नाईक, वीणा जाधवच्या उपरानुसार जयेश आर्लेकर, मिस्टर जयेश आर्लेकर।
त्यांना दे तुमच्या स्टाफांक दे पळय चावी
रिक्वेस्टिंग तशेंच आयज आमकां कारण गोवा मायल्स डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ प्लॅनिंग स्टॅटिस्टिक्स अँड इव्हॅल्युएशन हांच्या जोडपालवान मुखेलमंत्री गोंयचो टॅक्सी पात्रांव ह्या येवजणेच्या 5व्या टप्प्याचे आयज आमी लोकार्पण करतात।
I have seen Ola and Uber operating in other states. I have got reports from other states. I myself personally spoken to some drivers as well, especially Uber. And you know, at the moment they are having all sorts of problems. Ola also is having problem. They delivered some electric bikes in Goa. The dealership is there. We had to close down. We had to intervene. Not even servicing them. So they are having problems of their own. I think these two particular companies, it is in public domain. I don't want to say more, but it should not feel that I am commenting on their business. But we can't welcome them because that model of paying little money to the driver will just not work. Against the problem they have faced, which you also know very well as a member of the press, moving to a level where they have more than 5,000 people flying for them, having the cars flying under Goa Miles. Is that not a story of success? Do you not see it growing? Goinso Taxi Patrav scheme was a small initiative launched by me at that point of time under the auspices of our Honorable Chief Minister. Later on calling it Goinso Taxi Mukhyamantri Goinso Taxi Patrav scheme, and that was a very good name introduced. I was calling them entrepreneur. He said people will not understand. So CM coined the word, no, you call it Patrav. I agreed immediately, and we both gave this something different to whole of Goa and the tourism industry. So is it not a sign that it is growing? Because today we have 300 of those poor people flying, and who some of them are earning as much, almost a lakh of rupees per month. And these are figures which are available, that the data which is available, it is all digital data, so nobody can lie and nobody can just fudge figures.
So today with
so
1
it is
crore
not a story of success.
So today with 1 crore passengers already, the Maharashtra government is also planning to have similar setups. So how do you look at this initiative when this same initiative is being copied in other states? And
I think ultimately it will go pan-India. It will go not only to Maharashtra, Goa Miles, it will go all over the country, because Goa is a brand name, and anything in Goa, Goa's name sells well, which also I am also the industry minister. The industries people also tell me, when you say it's from Goa, immediately the countries want to pick it up. So that is a brand name which you have to capitalize. Obviously, when you have all sorts of reports coming in the social media what are they doing? They are expressing their unhappiness. Even they have said things like, we will never come to Goa again if this type of things are happening. Have they not said it? It is your media only which is covering that up, and everywhere it is being covered up. So when a person, after leaving the hotel, since the Goa Miles taxi is not allowed up till the hotel, they have to trek 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer with all their bag and baggage. So this is a very ugly situation. This does not augur well for an international destination which Goa is.
Okay.
And I think we have reached a point of no return. So we will have to take some strong action, which you will see things happening.
Any
This
specific
cannot go
plans
on
in mind?
forever,
Sir?
huh?
Any specific plans in mind to resolve this issue, because this is
No,
going
we have been,
across the world. You know, the wrong message is going.
The tourism minister, me as transport minister and honorable chief minister have been discussing it. We will come out with a solution. I don't want to make it public even before that is.
No, but the tourism
becomes a
minister has
solution.
said ki on this issue only tourism minister has said dadagiri chalchi na.
I am in sync with him. That is what I can say. The tourism the footprint to increase. We recently even have a new airport director at Dabolim, who was a former Lieutenant Colonel Akashdeep in Air Force. So he knows about flying. His effort is to get even more flights. Already we are doing more flights than the new airport. Even his people were saying at one time Dabolim airport will close. Where is the question? He is going to get more flights. And I told him, as much as a private operator operates and gives all sorts of concession, it's high time even government or Airport Authority of India operates in the same way. Ultimately, customer should be the king, no? Whatever the passenger wants, the best amenities at the lowest cost, he should get. So you also start competing, and you see everybody will come back to Dabolim, the few flights which have shifted there. This is bound to happen under his leadership. He was in Srinagar, he was in Lucknow, and some other important assignments he has handled. I'm sure he'll do a good job in this direction.
How do you
Additional facet to tourists coming here, with more cruise terminal getting ready and more cruises coming. We'll have class passengers descending onto Goa, and therefore we have to be that much classy as well. Forget the old school of thought where we just oppose each other. Do business. There will be business for everyone. There will be passengers for everyone. So it's high time they cool their head and not simply oppose for sake of opposing, and support the initiatives of the government.
सर अभी आपने बताया कि अच्छा मॉडल है और शायद महाराष्ट्र में भी इम्प्लीमेंट हो सकता है, तो हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस मॉडल सर?
Yeah, it is a really good model. When we were drafting the aggregator policy as per the Honorable Supreme Court order, Mr. Ravade, he represented before our committee, and we found that this is a really good model. As the Honorable Minister has mentioned that in the traditional model, the income to the driver is very less, number one. In this model, it's the income to the driver almost 2.5 to 3 times. And moreover, they are no remain the drivers, they are the owner. And I think I congratulate the Honorable Minister for that, for his really visionary idea. And I'm pretty sure that the model itself is an inherently strong model, so it will go all across the country.
Thank you so
all
much.
the appreciation to all my, and again congratulate the Honorable Minister.
थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू.
सो वी कॅन से दॅट दिस इज स्वाभिमानाचं 5वं पाऊल. जसं आदरणीय परिवहन मंत्री श्री मोहन गोदिनोजींनी विवेकजी जे महाराष्ट्र ट्रान्सपोर्ट कमिशनर यांनी आता तुमच्यासमोर समराईज केलेलं आहे, तर हे मॉडेल सर्वानुरूपे सगळ्यांसाठी सगळ्यांच्या फायद्यासाठी तयार केलेलं आहे. हे विन विन फॉर ऑल स्टेक होल्डर आहे आणि आमचा उद्देश व्यवसाय परमार्थ सोबत घेऊन जायचा आहे. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये कप्तान समाज किंवा ड्रायव्हर समाजानं सरांनी म्हटलं आपण यांना ड्रायव्हर का म्हणायचं, तर ह्या पूर्ण मालक गटासाठी जो वाहतूक मालक गट आहे, या वाहतूक मालक गटासाठी असं पूर्ण मॉडेल तयार केलेलं आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये सरकारी गायडन्सनुसार सरकारच्या समन्वयानुसार आम्ही याला इम्प्लिमेंट करून 7 वर्ष पूर्ण केलेले आहे. 1 करोडहून जास्त लोकांचा प्रवास सोबत झालेला आहे. म्हणजे याच्यापेक्षा पूर्ण गोष्ट अजून कोणती असू शकत नाही. आणि आता आम्ही सरकार आणि ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनच्या गायडन्सने याला पूर्ण